What is up, guys? Welcome back into the YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping in if you are new. So in today's video, we're actually running over to my buddy Chad's house. Gonna be using his shop and lift to replace all the front suspension parts on the Duramax. We're talking CV axles, wheel hub assemblies, tie rods, kryptonite, steering components, so pitman, idler arm, the support bracket, all that type of stuff is gonna be going on the Duramax to make that thing bulletproof on the front end. So yeah, enough of me jabbing. Let's get over there, get the truck thrown up in the air, and jump on into tearing this thing apart.
Ryan Little.
All right, guys, so Seth and I got the tie rods all kind of squared around. Use the old measuring tape there, taped everything off. Should be fairly close. Chad took the pickle forks, broke everything free underneath. Getting everything unbolted that needs to come undone. I guess we will work on getting CV axles out. Like I said, this one here has got some grease on it, so that's nice and yummy. We got new those, tie rods, all the steering components, and lower ball joints if we need them. All right, guys, so Seth and I are putting in the new CV axle now. The wheel hub assembly will go on next. Got to wiggle everything in from the backside like he is doing now, and then we will get it all bolted up. But yeah, making great progress. Chad had to go grab some wrenches so we can get everything busted free, like on the steering side of it. But other than that, we're making headway. Okay guys, so we got the center link tie rods on. I'm tightening everything up now. Seth went ahead and got the new CV axle in, new hub assembly, and then I believe he's working on the other side, but he can tell you what he's doing now. So
we're tightening up the back of the CV axle. We're tightening in here, got the back side left, and then the hub, and she'll be done over here.
All right, guys, so it's been a few days. We have the truck back. We had everything knocked out in probably 2.5 hours. Alignment done. I have all the old parts on the tailgate, and I'm just gonna show you everything that we did. So, like I said, we did the new tie rods are the KSP brand. So far, I absolutely love them. The new CV axles are Extreme Off-Road, Detroit axle, wheel hub assemblies, and then the idler and pitman arm and the support bracket are all kryptonite. So you can tell just the old stuff is pretty beat up. I'm gonna say it's all original. So I did the kryptonite up front here just because they have the lifetime warranty. Well, all the parts have a lifetime warranty. I wanted something that could take the abuse. Not that I'm gonna abuse the truck, but I do like to give it some throttle every now and then, and yeah, I want it to be able to handle. I went ahead and did all new wheel assemblies just because I didn't really want to mess with just the bearing. I think all this stuff here was about 1,600 bucks. The KSP tie rods I think are right at 280, 300. The CV axles from Extreme Off-Road, I want to say 300-ish. Same with Detroit axle on the wheel hub assemblies. They were like 300, and then the kryptonite parts, I don't remember, they were either 500, 700, somewhere through there off of the dynomax store. But yeah, everything is upgraded. One of these CV axles is just gone. Yeah, the boot right there, ripped, slinging grease all over the place. So I was like, let's just go ahead and replace them. These tie rods from GM are just pitiful. These things are the size of my freaking pinky. That is terrible. I'll show you the new ones here after I throw all this stuff in our junk. But yeah, I am glad I got over to Chad's. Thank you to him. Thank you to my brother-in-law Seth. You'll see him in the video helping. We got all this stuff done, like I said, about 2.5 hours. So let's go ahead and jump to the front and I'll show you all the new stuff. All right, so I'm gonna apologize in advance for the wind noise, but everything that's been done to the truck so far, we have the KSP upper control arms, we have new shocks. Now you can see how beefy the KSP tie rods are. New CV axle, new end links, new wheel hub assembly. And if we go up underneath, you can see the kryptonite components, the support bracket, and then over on the gearbox, more kryptonite goodies. So like I said, everything fantastic underneath here. These things are nice and beefy. The extreme off-road, I am very happy with these so far. But everything came together nicely. So we did new brakes when I got the truck. So virtually everything on the front end is pretty much done, other than some bushings and stuff, but these aren't terrible. So if you guys are looking at anything to upgrade your truck, I would highly suggest the KSP brand, Detroit axle for anything, wheel hub, brake, that type of stuff. The extreme off-road, like I said, they make different style of boots. And I do have a small leveling kit on this, and you can see that CV axle angle is not terrible. Don't mind the way I'm parked. I'm going downhill a little bit, so that's why that boot right there is kind of crimped. But yeah, once this thing's on asphalt, everything is pretty symmetrical, which is fantastic. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this video edited and get it thrown out. We have more content coming. I'll be tearing into the 98 here shortly. We have some more goodies coming for the Duramax, so stay tuned for it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll see you then.